So children, I am going to explain today about the forest in India. So basically in India, all the forests have been divided into three types. First is evergreen forest, second is deciduous forest, and third is mangrove forest. So it is of three types as a major category. And forest means that the collection of trees is in very large amount. We cannot say that 100 or 50 trees are there in a particular place, that is forest. No. So when there is complete flora and fauna, and they are living together in synchronous manner, they form an ecosystem. So that is the meaning of forest. So forest in India. So first, evergreen forest. So evergreen forests, they are evergreen because they maintain their greenery. The leaves do not shed off. They maintain, they maintain their greenery. They maintain their greenery. And because leaves do not fall. Leaves do not fall. Trees do not shed their leaves once in a year, but throughout the year, leaves which are matured, fall off. So thus they are able to maintain their greenery, like jackfruit, tree, then jamun trees, etc. They are belonging to this category. They are found in Western Ghats and Western India. And so this is the evergreen forest. And again, the flora is there, fauna is there. So all they live together in perfect symbiosis with each other. And so this is about the evergreen forest. So greenery is maintained throughout the year. And the leaves set down, the trees set their leaves throughout the year in a small quantity. Like here in North India, you have seen many trees like neem, peepal, etc. The leaves are given, the leaves, they are shed once in a year completely. Just now it's end of the year, and just when the spring will approach, all the leaves of the neem and peepal, they will be given out, and they will become barren without any leaf, because they are in the nature, they are deciduous in nature. So children, second forest is deciduous forest. So they are the forests in which the leaves, all the leaves, they are given away. All the leaves, they fall down in a particular season only. And as a result, the trees are without any single leaf. All the leaves they fall down at once. So right now they give away all the leaves, all the leaves once in a year. And so trees are just naked and only twigs, only twigs are seen. Only twigs are seen. No leaf is there. They become empty. They become naked. So this is the deciduous forest. Many types of uh, trees are there. So, like neem, you may say neem, thick wood, neem, thick wood, etc. They are the example, thick wood, rosewood. They are the commercial trees for making best quality furniture. Teakwood, sagwan, rosewood, sal. So they are very light, very durable trees. Their timber is highly expensive. Then sesame, you may say sesame. You all must be knowing sesame. Sesame trees grow throughout the India, but the sesame, it also neem also, people, all the trees, they give their leaves completely once in a year, and so they are without any leaf. So it is the nature. There are different plants also, like Palas children. You may say Palas, P-A-L-A-S-H, Palas, Tesu. Just you all must be knowing it is used to make the natural color of orange color, red color, Palas. And you see, they are just incoming spring. All the leaves are given. And the Palas trees, they are covered by the red colored flowers. Ancient times, the flowers of this tree, Palas or Tesu, they were used to prepare the color in the holy celebration. And so they are, so you can see from your neighboring area, Tesu or Palas. And so this is the nature of the this deciduous forest. And so all the leaves, they are given out. And so there is the proper maintenance, proper caring of the trees, proper nature of the trees, and this is to maintain their energy, to maintain their identity, to have this proper. When see all the leaves of neem fall down, you all must be knowing. So when the leaves are given out, there's a flowering of neem, and then the fruits of neem, nimboli comes out, and so same is the case with the people, same is the case with Palas, same is the case with this teakwood, rosewood, sagwan and sal. So this is the very important part about this deciduous forests, that they are once without any leaf in a year. So I'm going to explain next very important part, mangrove forest. So mangrove forest is a part of the delta formed by rivers Gange and Brahmaputra. So it is special area and is one of the largest delta in the world. Sundarbans Delta, it is also called a Sundarbans Delta. So mangrove forest Sundarbans, Sundarban, Sundarban Delta, Sundarban Delta, and it is due to the Ganga, river Ganga, and Brahmaputra Delta. So it is formed by the two rivers, Ganga and Brahmaputra, and the trees, they have a special character. Children, you have to keep in mind, mangrove trees are a special type of trees which are capable of grow, remain as it is even in water. So there is a delta, so throughout there is the water, not completely, but partially the trees, they are submerged in water. And you know, for the respiration of the trees, roots also respire. Roots also respire. So in them, roots of the trees are modified in such a manner that they come out of the water. They come out of the water to respire. Children, this is very important point. They come out as a special growth, outgrowth. They come out from the swamp. You know, swamp means daldal. So, like this, how they come out. So, if the trees, you know, there is a swamp. This is a swamp which we call daldal. So, because there is the waterlogged area, so the trees they are. This is very important point, children. You have to keep in mind that the trees in case of deciduous and evergreen forest, they are very huge, very deep forests. But in the mangrove forest, the trees, they are not of very tall height, but they are small trees, and they have a special type of root. So trees, they are no trees, they are small trees are there. So, but the roots, they are like this, and the roots, they have holes like this. Roots have holes and holes for the respiration. Children, this is a very important point. They respire through these holes. They respire through these holes because, you know, every organism needs oxygen or air for respiration. So these have a special type of mechanism, and so mangrove forests, they are very much important. They support many animals like, you know, Bengal tiger. Bengal tiger is also found in mangrove. They have adapted to that climatic conditions. Different types of other birds, different types of other animals, they are found because they have adapted to that condition. They enjoy that condition. And so this is all about the mangrove forest. So, children, now I'm going to explain about the layers of forest. All the forests, they have three layers. Layers means the arrangement of the trees and arrangement of the ecosystem. Ecosystem means how different organisms, they are able to live together in harmony. So first is canopy. So canopy means the area formed by the larger trees, and they cover completely the below portion. It is called as canopy. So canopy, it is defined as a continuous area, covered by the upper part of huge trees. Rather, you can say trees. You might have seen when the trees are in perfect relation in the forest. So trees, they are meeting with each other, like they are embracing each other. So if there is one tree like this, and so the bushes are there. Similarly, if there is other tree, so like this, so this is there. So this forms a continuous area, just like roof. So this forms the canopy. This is the one tree, second tree, third tree. So this continuous structure, it is called as canopy. And canopy, the canopy is very much important, because canopy formation is to compete for the sunlight. Trees, they have competition to grow, and as a result of this, canopy is formed. So there is competition between the trees, and so canopy is there, and so canopy makes the forest dense. Canopy makes the forest dense. The density of forest is there because of the canopy. So canopy, just a small placement of the different branches of the trees. Now children, next is understory. So understory is the under portion of the canopy. So it is defined as the portion of forest covered by canopy. So it is covered by canopy. It is covered by canopy, and it has an ecosystem also. This understory, it is just below. So this understory, it supports or allows the growth of small trees, bushes, etc. Small trees, bushes, etc. And shrubs also, and so they allow the grasses also, other birds also. Birds, they remain in canopy also. So the birds which are small birds, they here. So small birds, they remain in the this under covering. Then grasses. So this is the understory. Honeybees, they remain in canopy, children. This has not been given in the book, but you have to keep in mind. Honeybees, they feel protected, so they form their bees in the canopy, so that no one can harm their babies. So honeybees, then butterflies, they also live in canopy to protect their babies, and this is understory, so it is there. Now then, children, next is this forest floor. So forest floor is the basically it is formed by the dead leaves, formed by dead leaves, dead leaves, grasses, herbs, etc. So all the leaves when they fall down, so they are accumulated. So it is basically the floor of the forest. It is called a forest floor or the floor. So it is above, it is on this soil. It is on the soil, and it is very much important because it supports many lives like snakes, rabbits, mouse, tortoise, other small creatures, different types of lizards. So they remain there. They make their burrow, they remain, and it supports. Very important point is it provides nutrition to the forest by the decomposition of leaves. All the leaves they are decomposed, or if any animal is grazing, any animal is living. So animals they give out their urine, their fecal matter. So this forest floor is very much important because it provides the nutrition. So children, this is all about the this very important point, layers of the forest.